Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today we'll talk about the tax implications for non-resident aliens and resident alien in the United States. Understanding these distinctions is crucial, whether you're an international student, a recent immigrant, or just curious about US tax system. So let's dive right in. First off, what exactly is a non-resident alien? Well, a non-resident alien is an individual who doesn't meet the criteria for a substantial presence test or a green card test. In simple terms, they spend fewer than 183 days in the United States during a 3-year period, and they are not a lawful permanent resident. While the test look at the number of days you have been physically present in the United States over a 3-year period, it's not just a straight-up count, though. Certain days count more than others. For example, days from current year count fully, days from the previous year count as 1/3, and days from 2 years ago count as 1/6. Then add up all the days for 3 years. If it is over 183 days, you are considered as a U.S. resident for tax purposes, even though you just have a visa. Even you pass substantial presence test, you might be still considered as non-resident alien. There are some factors to consider. You had a closer connection during the year to one foreign country in which you have a tax home than to the United States, and you maintain that tax home in that foreign country during the entire year. And you had not taken any steps toward or did not have an application pending for lawful permanent resident status, which means green card. In this case, you are still considered non-resident alien. You do not have to report income from other countries. You only need to report income in US. If you are a F1 student, your dates in US are exempted from calculating 183 days for 5 years. And the 6th year, you will be considered as resident alien, even though you're still holding F1 visa. File 1040 non-resident alien tax return if you have income subject to tax, such as wage, tips, scholarship, fellowship grants, and dividend. If you don't file income tax return, file Form 808443 by due date to report your exempted days. Non-resident aliens are subject to a different set of rules. They typically only pay tax on income that is considered effectively connected with United States trade or business. This income includes income earned from working in the U.S. or from U.S. investment. Some common source of U.S. income for non-resident alien include wages, scholarship, and certain types of investment income. However, not all income is subject to U.S. taxation. There might be some treaties in place that affect the tax liability. For non-resident alien, file 1040 non-resident alien tax return. About resident aliens. A resident alien is someone who meets either the substantial presence test or holds a green card. They are considered U.S. resident for tax purposes. For H-1B workers or F1 students in their 6 years, or executive holding L visa, if they stay in U.S. long enough, they will be considered as U.S. resident. Resident aliens are subject to U.S. taxations on their worldwide income just like U.S. citizens. This means they must report and pay taxes on income earned both inside and outside the United States. Resident aliens have the access to the same tax deductions and credits as U.S. citizens. They need to file a Form 1040 U.S. individual income tax return and report their global income earned, and report financial bank account balances and the foreign assets if balance is over a certain threshold based on the filing status. To wrap things up, it's essential to understand the key differences between non-resident aliens and resident aliens when it comes to U.S. taxation. Non-resident aliens are taxed on the U.S.-sourced income, while resident aliens are taxed on the worldwide income. If you fall into either category, it's always a good idea to talk with a tax professional, or you can leave a comment to me to discuss. If you found this video helpful, consider to subscribe for more useful contents. Until next time, take care and enjoy learning.